Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage here. What I got going on today? Well, I'm waiting on parts just like all of you. The timing chain that I had ordered, well, I got an email the other day saying it's on back order, so they refunded my money. I'll be dadgum, right? It's the story of these times. So I tried again to do it local. I called all the local parts stores here, and sure enough, they can get me a stock one, but a stock one is retarded. It sets it back for stock. It's retarded timing, and I don't want that. I want straight up timing. So I even tried Napa, and usually Napa can come through on that stuff, but no, all they can do is bone stock. And craziest thing, they have to order it too, and then, charge me shipping. So I said to heck with it. The guy there at Napa, he even suggested that I go and try Summit. I said, well, yeah, I didn't try them. So I went on Summit's website there, and I, found the timing chain that I wanted, and I put it in the cart, and I found a carb spacer that, just put me up over to free shipping. As a matter of fact, I'm basically getting the carb spacer for free, because if I wouldn't have had it, they would have charged me that much in shipping. So kind of got a carburetor adapter spacer for free. Well, and it goes with that carb spacer. On these 460s, they look like they are a spread bore. They look like a quadrajet when you first take the carburetor off and look, but it's actually a little smaller than a quadrajet. And the timing chain said I got coming as a double roller, so I wanted to make sure that it would fit inside of my timing cover, and I wanted to make sure that carb spacer was going to work with this stock manifold. And I wanted to make dang sure that they had it in stock, because you know the story of the day, and I already got burnt once. So I said, okay, I'm gonna call them and make sure. So I called them up. Big shout out to some guy there that works there named Blake. I'll tell you what, it's a breath of fresh air to have somebody working a parts counter that actually knows cars. He knew all the questions I was going to ask as I was asking them. He knew right exactly what I was talking about, and he knew about my fears in it. Because like I said, when you play with these Fords, you have to know it. Or your possibility of ordering the wrong parts when you're left to your own devices is pretty high, even for somebody who knows Ford. So he checked it out. And he double checked it, and he said, yeah, I am definitely positive that these will work for you. He said, if anything, you might have to grind a little on the timing chain cover, but it's an aluminum timing chain cover anyway, so it's no problem. I said, thanks, no problem. Get it coming. And he took it all right there over the phone, so I didn't have to push the buttons, type in nothing. He took the order right over the phone. He talked to me like a normal car guy, not somebody, your average parts counter workers, and just renewed my faith in what a customer experience should be when you're at an auto parts store. So, to everybody out there in Summit that's probably not even going to watch this video, I gotta say, treat Blake good, because it's guys like him that you got working for you that are going to restore the faith in car parts companies again. Blake, a big thank you from all of us here at BareRose Garage, which is pretty much me, but you were great, man. Thank you for all the help you gave me today, and you set my mind at ease, so I can probably sleep tonight instead of chewing my nails down to nothing, worrying about whether or not I ordered the wrong parts again for this dang Ford. So in the meantime, Blake, big thanks to you, and thanks for helping me get out there and keep this metal hot. We'll catch you on the next one.